Customer brought in an older StarCraft. He wants a project. He likes vintage stuff. He said, try to get the motor going. And we said, it's really not worth it. So he's elected to go to a newer motor. So one thing you want to always check is the transom, really quick and dirty. First you look for cracks. Oh, we got no cracks. Oh, looks good. But what you don't know is fiberglass is very flexible. And if you don't know this, it's basically fiberglass, plywood, fiberglass on the inside. So you just take this transom and you see if there's any flex. And oh my God, is that transom bad. So the wood is completely rotted out. So we're actually going to plate this. We'll continue with some videos on how to plate it and how to template it. And we're working with a company that can make a plate for you. It's a very adequate repair. Doesn't look like it's supposed to, but it saves you up to $3,000 to repair that.